Okay, so here's my Wi-Fi card, and I'm about to plug it into my computer here. We're just going to use Windows because that's what I will be using, my wife will be using. And it's saying installing the device driver. These things lighten up. It says that my device is ready to use. Software has been installed successfully. So now it's popping up. Install or run a program. So apparently there's a program on here already. Software is right on the chip. Wi-Fi is not installed on your computer. Would you like to install it? Sure. Okay, we want English. And sure. Next. I agree. Next. Next. Would you like the folder to be created? Yes. Sure. Sure. There it goes. Boop, done. Launch. Yeah.
Get the wagon?
Yep, I'll get the wagon.
Were you on the phone?
I'm recording a video.
Mommy.
An update for Wi-Fi is available. Checking, downloading. Downloading. Installing updates. Finish.
What is this?
Unblock. Some black lights. Okay, so it's running down here. Somewhere. There it is. Whoa. I don't want to register.
Whoa.
Not right now, anyways. Okay. So we're going to put this in our camera. And figure out what happens.